Welcome to Sheri-Fun Vibe, the place for travel tips, news, deals, special events, and fun, fun, fun. Now, here at Share Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited, we believe in developing the whole man, mind, body, and spirit. And of course, fun takes many, many forms. And this week, we have been happy to have become associated with the Alexandria Soccer Academy, and they're doing an amazing job. They're located high up in the hills of St. Anne in a town called Alexandria farming community, but it has the most beautiful pristine views this side of the north coast. And there's so much to be learned about Alexandria. There's so much budding talent in Alexandria, and we have spent just a little time with them, and we're looking forward to spending much more time. But take a look at these young men, and there's one young lady. There's a nursery program for the tots, and then there is the intermediate, and of course there are the senior players squad. And I believe that this team, this group of youngsters, they will make a mark and a name for themselves. And for that reason, Share Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited have paid special attention to them. And we hope to be journeying with them as they grow and as they represent and as they win leagues and trophies and establish themselves. And who knows, we may even see them playing for the Reggae Boys. So, spend a little time with us and enjoy the Alexandria Soccer Academy.